How do you get good traffic to your website? Welcome back. You're watching Aciero in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with traffic. How do you get traffic and make sure that it's good traffic to your website? Because it's useless to get lots and lots and lots of traffic when the traffic you're getting will not be able to convert. Many people ask how to get traffic to their website, but what they don't differentiate is what's good traffic and what's bad traffic. So getting lots and lots and lots of traffic is not essential if it's not converting, because you're getting lots of people coming to your website, and if they are not converting, it sends a wrong signal into Google. So what happens also if lots of people are coming to your website and they're not getting what they came for, it also increases the bounce rate of your website. So what happens is that your website will not be getting recommended or getting impressions in the long run because of the high bounce rate it gets if people are coming on. So make sure that instead of thinking of getting lots and lots and lots of traffic, get good traffic. That's why I emphasize on this channel the M&M theory, the M&M theory, you know, the sweets, you only want the yellow one. So make sure that your website is on one theme, and if people are coming to that same specific subject, that they are getting the information they want on that specific subject. In Google Analytics, you can see how long people are spending on your website and what pages they are really visiting, and what pages they are exiting, and what pages they're landing on. And for most of you who don't know how to read your analytics or don't know what Google Analytics is, please click on this video over here. It will take you to a video or a playlist about analytics, and it'll help you understand your analytics better. And so I always emphasize analytics, because analytics really shows you the behavior of your website. And I always recommended Google Search Console. Google Search Console helps you also understand the performance of your website, each page, and what it does, and the behavior, and if it's really optimized well, or it's really doesn't have any errors. So why are we here today? Yeah, we're here because you want lots of traffic to your website. So I'm telling you how to get it. So one way to get traffic to your website, good traffic to your website, is guest blogging. Guest blogging on other blogs or other people's websites is very, very, very powerful, because if you guest blog and people get to know you, so it's like a collaboration. So people get to know you, and you get a new audience that will maybe be interested in what you have to offer, and you can get them also to come to your website. The other second thing is content for social media. If you make good content on social media and link your website to that content, like you have an Instagram page, put your website in the bio. If you're posting good content, people will go to your website using Instagram, or maybe LinkedIn or Facebook. Any social media platform can bring you traffic and good traffic. Make sure that you're specific with your niche, because you don't want people coming for the wrong reasons to your website, because that will increase the bounce rate. As we said before, bounce rate is a very big thing in analytics, and it's a very big thing. It can damage your website. So don't get bad traffic. Yeah. The other thing you also have to focus on, third thing, is keyword research. Make keyword research before you do anything on your website. Before even you start building a website, try keyword research, because keyword research will help you optimize your website to get the right traffic to your website. Because if people are typing in the things that you think they're looking for, it will help you rank if you're using those keywords to create content for your website to get good traffic. The fifth thing I would like to recommend that will get you good traffic is if you also use paid advertisement. Paid advertisement is very powerful, because first, initially, if it's a new website and you don't know anyone, and maybe the only traffic you're getting is direct traffic from you and the friends you know, that will make convert, but it's going to be very slow. So what you need is to speed it up. You need some paid ads. So run some paid ads to get at least some traffic initially, and later on you can scale that traffic to get more people who look like the people who are interested in your website. Yeah. So the other thing that you may also think about, like sixth thing, if you know you've used paid ads, you have to do SEO. I already mentioned this saying keyword research. So the keyword research is also related to SEO, search optimization. Yeah, so you have to make sure that you've done SEO. Use plugins like yours to rank math to do your SEO. And that was it. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like this video. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. If you're new, consider subscribing. And that was it for today. I love you so much, and continue watching videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3, go! Yay!